It's that time of the year, which is Thanksgiving. You know, it is truly Spring Garden One. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And of course, you have the president and his wife and a turkey. Here I am, sharing with you, yours truly Spring Garden One. A turkey moment. It is Thanksgiving season coming up. And of course, I'm sharing with you what I've been preparing in my kitchen. This one is a 12 pounder. And this is what it looked like. Here you go, from yours truly. Again, from my kitchen to yours. This is what it looked like, a big one. And of course, my wife and I have prepared the seasoning to season this turkey for Thanksgiving. And of course, both of us will be putting it in the oven together because it's a teamwork. And of course, my wife and I surely will be serving the family to make sure they have juicy turkey. This is what it looked like while seasoning, making sure it properly seasoned with some Jamaican season. And of course, we'll be leaving it to marinate. Stuff it with some garlic, with some scallion, with some onion, with some thyme, and other seasoning. My wife have done the inside, and this is what I have done to the outside. Thank you very much for joining. It's just truly Spring Garden One. I appreciate you all for coming by to the channel. Please remember once again to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell your friend about this channel. Thank you. Have a great Thanksgiving. I'm out.